Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel, The Daily Technologies. In today's video, we're going to talk about social media marketing and how to build your brand on Instagram and TikTok. Social media has become a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their audience and build their brand. In this video, we will share some tips and tricks to help you get started with social media marketing on Instagram and TikTok. Section 1: Understanding your audience. Before you start building your brand on social media, it's essential to understand your audience. Knowing your audience will help you create content that resonates with them and engages them. You can use analytics tools to gather data about your audience's demographics, interests, and behavior on social media. Once you have this information, you can create content that speaks directly to your audience. Section 2: Instagram Marketing. Instagram is one of the most popular social media platforms, with over 1 billion active users. To build your brand on Instagram, you need to create visually appealing content that showcases your products or services. You can use Instagram to share behind-the-scenes glimpses of your business, showcase customer stories, or create educational content that adds value to your audience. You can also use Instagram's features like Stories, Reels, and IGTV to engage with your audience and build a following. Section 3: TikTok Marketing. TikTok is a relatively new social media platform that has gained massive popularity in recent years. It's a platform where users create short-form videos that are entertaining and engaging. To build your brand on TikTok, you need to create content that is authentic, creative, and resonates with your audience. You can use TikTok to showcase your products or services in a fun and engaging way, create challenges, or collaborate with other creators to reach a wider audience. Section 4: Hashtags and Keywords. Hashtags and keywords are essential for social media marketing because they help you reach a wider audience. You can use relevant hashtags and keywords in your posts to make them more discoverable. You can also use tools like Instagram's Explore page or TikTok's Discover page to find trending hashtags and keywords that are relevant to your brand. Section 5: Consistency and Engagement. Consistency and engagement are crucial for building your brand on social media. You need to post regularly to keep your audience engaged and interested in your brand. You also need to engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages, sharing user-generated content, and collaborating with other creators. Building a community around your brand is essential for social media marketing. Section 6: Conclusion. In conclusion, social media marketing is a powerful tool for building your brand on Instagram and TikTok. You need to understand your audience, create visually appealing content, use relevant hashtags and keywords, and engage with your audience to build a community around your brand. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, The Daily Technologies, for more exciting videos in the future. Also, follow us on Instagram, link is in the description. Thank you for watching.